Today we are going to talk about third normal form, part of database management system course. Third normal form is a property of a relational database design that specifies that all attributes in a table must be directly dependent on the primary key and that there should be no transitive dependencies in the table. Transitive dependencies occur when an attribute depends on another attribute, which in turn depends on the primary key. In other words, there is an indirect dependency between the attribute and the primary key. To achieve third normal form, a table must meet the following requirements. It must be in the second normal form, which means that all non-key attributes must depend on the entire primary key, and there should be no repeating groups. There should be no transitive dependencies in the table. In other words, all attributes should be directly dependent on the primary key, and there should be no attributes that depend on other attributes. Third normal form is often considered the final step in the process of normalizing a database design, as it helps to eliminate transitive dependencies and ensure that all attributes are directly dependent on the primary key. A table that is in third normal form is considered fully normalized. Enforcing third normal form helps to ensure that the data in a table is stored in a consistent and predictable manner and makes it easier to search and query the data. It also helps to prevent data redundancy and dependency, which can lead to data inconsistencies and inefficiencies. However, it is important to note that the normalization is not always necessary or desirable, and the appropriate level of normalization will depend on the specific requirements and constraints of the database. Thank you for watching.